So hey, really fancy meeting you over here. So let's talk about today. Why are we here today? It's learning about having the mobile that is frugal living for you. So if you're interested in, keep watching. Let's get started. Welcome to Healthy Wealthy Mogul channel. My name is Mira. Really good to see you today. So today we're going to talk about how we can make our driving vehicle, make it peace of mind and also serve you very well. We might as well make it effective, the most useful for you, since this is your car. You're driving it in and out every day, or whether you work in the office, or whether you're running errands, or whether you're taking care of for your family or for yourself. You really having the very most effective vehicle for transportation is the most powerful thing that any human can do as far as the frugal living goes, because we're kind of relying on it. So we want to make sure that it is doing well for us, Before we get started, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate your time. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And I do sincerely appreciate you. And thanks for coming. So number one is that make sure that your car is well-oiled engine, which is exactly as it sounds. So make sure your car has an engine to the full, or at least half all the time. The reason is that you're doing driving every week, or going to office, and whatever reason you're doing a lot of driving, then you might want to fill it in certain days of the week. Every week you want to fill it in, so that way your cars always have the gas always full, or if you're charging for your electric car, make sure you charge it every single night when you get home. And every single, I don't have an electric car, so I do not know about that. But if you do, then make sure that it is well-oiled engine in terms of gas, right? So number two that go along with that is that making sure that your car is monthly or yearly or quarterly maintained. So what does it mean is make sure that is it windshield wiper, are they okay? The wheels, the tires, are they okay? Do you have any check engine showing up, or anything is okay? Make sure that if you have alert, either air tire, or it could be windshield wipers, it could be anything that you need to fix it. Make sure do not take long time to fix it. Make sure plan for it and fix it right away if you can, because that go along with my favorite thing is called budgeting. So making sure that number three is you have an early budget for your car, right? For example, let's say your car tire need to change because there's a nail on the street, right? How do I know, right? How do we know there's a nail on the street? The car does not have eyes and talk about bing, there's a nails on the street, Mira, don't drive away the other way. I wish they speed that. Maybe that is a great idea that people should develop it, or maybe I should, or maybe you should. So anyway, so when it happened, guess what? The tire need to switch to a new tire, and kind of I have to change it. Sometimes they say, well, because you need this change, you have to change the other one too. Well, guess what? It costs about $400, $800, however it goes. So make sure that your budget has a line items for your car maintenance. Not just only buying a new car, fixing your current car is extremely also important too. So make sure you save up for every month if you could. For me is that I like to do again, it depends on up to you, right? I like to do at the whole year. I look at it and I see that, okay, this month I'm going to focus on this. This month I'm going to focus on that. And so that way, the whole year, I kind of finish it anyway. But some people like to do monthly, little bit, and that's something you can do that too. But for me, it's if I finish it one, then I don't have to worry about it. Obviously, it's something you need to refill. Obviously, we had to refill that. I also make the sinking funds, refilling things. Go and check it out, that video. I'll link it here for you. So that is number three, right? You always have to have money to maintain your car. Number four is that very, very important. People think it may be cosmetic looking, but actually it's not cosmetic. Making sure that we're not putting makeups and lipstick on our car, but it is just mostly making sure that your car appearance is also stay in good shape too. For example, even though I'm sitting in the car, I got this car in 2019, right? And this car is certified used car for somebody buy brand new, and after that they bought a new car, and I bought this car, right? So this car, when I bought it, 2019, and after that we save up money and I pay off this car. So I don't have a car loan or anything. So this one is like, do you see this what is it called, a cover? So I bought this from Amazon, I think. If I have a link, I'll show it to you. It's nothing fancy or anything, but it is very durable. Like, you know, I can have a, you know, things on here. So this inside is like kind of, you see this? Pretty nice, right? So I use this one, and I have on the side it has that one too. So in the back I don't have it because the most traffic is I'm the one who's sitting here driving. So here that my husband sitting, so I just put it there, you know. So in the back is only my son sitting in his car seat, so we just keep it there. So keeping the car into not getting into a tear. Also the roof, and also, you know, the mirrors and the, you know, the material is that, make sure try to keep it maintained as good as you can, so not getting cracked and not getting into tears and, you know, slip, you know, spillings and stains and everything. It's kind of nice to have it. And for me personally, I like to buy a car that kind of durable and last longer, so I kind of choose a little bit darker color, and you know, for your seat especially, right? So you can choose that options and think about that option ideas when you buy a different car next time, when your next car. It doesn't have to be new, it had to be, you know, decent, that your taste, and make sure it lasts longer for you. So next one is like, you know, where you put your stuff in your car, what area you put, it's actually really matters for you too. So I'm gonna show you each area of my car, so that way you can understand it, if it makes sense. If you like anything, please let me know and put a little thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel, and I really appreciate your time. And so this is really awesome, and I'm gonna show it to you. So you can see like the car is like, you know, pretty into a clean, you know, not that, I mean, obviously some dust over there, you know, but that's okay. So this is my water cup. I think you always see it multiple times, and there's another cup holder over here. You know, it could be like my husband put a water cup, or like maybe you know, my water, and my son cup, you know, whoever we're driving to, you know. Only have 2 cups, and I think that's really fair enough for us. And my husband has a 3 cup place. I thought that's really nice for all 3 of us. And this size is like, I have like a napkins, like, you know, wherever we have restaurant thing, whenever they give us free, we just put it here. And I also put like a plastic bag over here. Sometimes I put the bottle of water over here too. You can put a bottle of water. So I have plastic bag, any plastic bag. Because of the reason why you ask me, sometimes you need a little plastic bag, you know, for whatever reason. You have one here. And another important thing is like, we have this one. My husband like got it for us like a while ago. It's just like what do they have? I'll show you. So this is what they have. Like, it's like this. I think you, if any emergency, you can just crack the door open to get out of it, build your car. So I don't know what it looks like that, you know. So it's like that. So it's like that. So you can just, for emergency, I don't know what did they you to do it. So maybe crack open it. So I think this is like a kind of thing, like you can have it, like, you know, for your own things. So we always keep that one. And you know, keeping the flow, you know, not having any anything, you know, keep it like no junks, you know, especially on this area too, like, you know, there's nothing on the floor as much as you can. And this one I'll come back in a minute. In the back too, so we have like a car seat, you know, and then pretty much like, you know, water holder and a snack holder. And this is a sunscreen for my son. Is this spotless clean? Absolutely not, but it has some decent, you know, because we always like vacuum our car here and there, you know. And then this one is our stuff that I bought a long time ago, you know. So whenever he kick it stuff, it won't go to our back car. But this is like a car cover anyway, so it's good. So we put like some stuff here. If it's a snacks and anything, you can put stuff here. So it's not that it has a little, you know, over here with the clip. Then it tied it up in the back. And so you see all the tear stuff, so it doesn't get the real damage for the car. It's just the thing on the cover, so it's pretty good. And in the middle on this, I put it here. So my husband's business card. So in the back, I can write notes here. And there's a pen, right? I write notes here. As a translator, I do need a note. This is like You think it's like diapers? No, actually it's not. It's just like you can use it. It's like a fragrance free, so we love it. I can buy it from Aldi, Little Journey brand. So you can wipe anything. And I have my chewing gum here, and I have my what do you call, plastic bag, Ziploc. Sometimes you need something for emergency, so I always have a Ziploc. And this one is my medicine, which is ibuprofen. I always put ibuprofen everywhere I go. One in my purse. If you haven't seen my frugal purse, go and check it out. Different video. I'll show a link for you. If it's uploaded later, you can look at it. Wait for it. This one is my son will like it. Again, I'm not promoting anything here. I got it from Alter a while ago. So for the antioxidant water, so I keep it in the car. When he's going swim and stuff, he can use it. This is not a wipe thing, and I have so many candy, and I have one charger, and these are like breakfast bars and stuff. So whenever he is hungry, my husband's hungry, he can have it. Again, there's another bandage, another hand sanitizer. So as a mom, you always want to have it. You always have a snack bag in your car, like, you know, some milk, you know, and some candies, you know, and some gummy bear, and some meat stick stuff for my husband. So like these are all like we got it free once a week from the school, and I collect them and I supply them as we need it. If you open the front compartment, you're gonna see, like, you know, some snacks and some papers, important papers that you need to, you know, your license plates or whatever that you need to do, you know, some of the important stuff for your car, and paper towels for emergency that you need to wipe something, and, you know, mask. I put a little mask over there, and sunglasses in the corner over there. So like something, keep it simple but like neat, you know, and your car document stuff, you know, so you have everything you need. In the back, when you open the trunk, you're gonna see the sunscreen that you got it from Aldi. I think they have a kids sunscreen. So I got this, and I think I got it from, this is from Walmart, and whatever on sales, you know, you can just get some. And this is, I think this is from clearance from, I think this one is clearance from, I don't know, it's from Target, I think. So sometimes they have on clearance stuff, you can pick it up. If not, then we just usually pick it up from Aldi. And this box is I bought it. It's just funny. I'll show you what it has. This is our everything. So a lot of paper towels, everything you see, and a lot of, like, we have a snack stuff. So you can see a lot of towels, and I have some maybe water here, emergency, and some more snacks here, and more snacks here, whatever is available. This is my favorite recently. I just discovered it. I never heard in my lifetime. Again, I came from Burma, so bugles. I'm originally from Burma, so like this is something very new for me. I love it. Do you like bugles? And I was teasing little kids like what the bugle is at the party. They really love it, and it's so cool. So this is my to go, and this is like every time we have this one. And this one in my son's sport. He played tennis and he played basketball. So this is like things that we put in the car that we can go like whenever, you know, we at the park or anyway. This is a tennis ball. So this one is a medicine thing, like, you know, you can get it from anywhere. So this is something we usually keep it. And this bag is a Costco membership thing. You see, like, when you sign up Costco, they give you one of those. Again, they have a different promotion different times, so I don't know when is what. This is a Aldi bag. I have a 2. I always keep it. 2 or 3 I have it in the bag. I always keep them. I reuse them. And this one I got it free from somewhere, I don't remember. So this is like wipe thing, and this is I got it from Aldi. I always have like 1 or 2 in my car at the front and 1 in the back. And this is like it's a nature habit. We used to live in a very cold place, so I always have one, but apparently in here is very hot weather, so don't worry about that right now, right? And another one, oh, this is the what do you call that, mask for my son. Oh, we also get free one too from somewhere, so we pick it up. And again, hand sanitizer, candy for me, and umbrella. my puppy water cup. This is pretty neat, right? Just open it, do water, and put it back, right? And this is our business card. My business card here. Hello, nice to see you. And this is my other business card, the enterprise level languages. This is my business, so stuff like that. And that's it. So I'm just gonna put it back nicely here. And so, you know, you kind of like helping your family. I think I need to refill some water, emergency. Super cool trying. It's like, you know, obviously it's not super clean, it's dirty over there, here and there, but this is the best way that I can do it, you know, in the busy lifestyle as a working mom. Also, please try to keep it like a quarter, so something if you're already shopper, or you know, maybe some cash if you always park your car in your garage. And if it's safe, then you know, I don't want somebody to steal things from your cars because you have put money in it. So I don't suggest that. But definitely, like, you know, if you have a quarter or something, definitely helpful in case anything you need it, emergency. A quarter, I don't think it's gonna hurt. So that's why I usually put in my cart too. One of the most important thing as a bonus in this video that I would like to mention, that is like a house, you know, car is also our second house, that because we always drive and we always do transport from one to another. Without car, it would be very challenging if you live in the, you know, places that you need to rely on car, right? So I definitely suggest that, you know, trying to keep your car very decluttered. Do not keep your car very crowded with all the things. Let's say, like, you know, you go to work every day, right? And you come home, but at the same time, like, you're like kind of like tired, you don't want to clean up your car every day. I totally understand it. But the thing is, like, you know, whatever you go to the car where, you know, you get out of it, right? Instead of like just leaving a bunch of junks in it. For example, like, let's say you eat out for lunchtime, right? You eat in the car, for example. I usually eat in the car in the past. In the office, you know, sometimes like you're like, oh, okay, I'm gonna eat it here quick and go back, you know, whatever you're doing. So whatever the situation is, you don't want to leave your soda cup, or, you know, finish eating like McDonald's, you know, stuff like this, or ketchups and stains and everything, gonna be really yucky. So it's better that you want to like take it out with you on the night or the day and trash it, and just, it only take you like 30 seconds, right, to do it. You put it in that one pile, and you can even put it in that, you know, I have a plastic bag, right? But when you're eating from McDonald's or anywhere, they give you a bag to go, right? So you might as well dump everything in one bag and just dump it and trash it, you know? You don't really need extra bags or extra trash can in your car. As long as you're organized and disciplined to yourself and showing a great example to your kids that this is how you handle your life, and the kids gonna follow up your footsteps, and they're gonna be disciplined and very well organized as well. So like, keep your car clean and organized, and that will give you a lot of peace of mind. And long-term maintenance is like a great goal, to have a good car in your hand, so you don't have to fix it often, you don't have to go and buy a new car sooner, you can save all your money, and you know, you can give it help to others that who actually need it, you know, and that will give you a more blessing in your life anyway. So I hope you finding this video super fun and super awesome, and if you like it, just go and put a little thumbs up. And if you don't like it, and put a little thumbs up. I'm just joking. So I want to say thank you so much, and I'll see you next video. And I do recently make the frugal purse video. Don't forget to go and check it out video. I am super proud of that video. I love that video. And have a nice day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.